That was Morse code for hello everyone. For my professional development, I chose to learn Morse code. And when I say learn, I mean it very loosely because I still can't really understand Morse code. It's very fast. But today I'm going to teach you basically the cheat sheet way to be able to understand Morse code. So before we start, I'm going to show you the cheat sheet we'll be making. So that is what it looks like. And when you go to your left, that is a dot versus going to the right is a dash. So for the letter E, it's just a single dot. Whereas for the letter I, that would be dot dot, or A would be dot dash. So that's how this is read. And then I'm going to help you be able to remember and draw this cheat sheet for when you need it and you can't look it up on the internet. So we'll start with a story, and the story is that there's an alien or an ET. His name's Ian, and he's just chilling, and one day he says, sure. So then he goes and gets some WD-40 and then says, "Okay, go." He takes this WD-40 and turns on a high voltage frequency. Then he pauses and says, LOL. Then he pauses again. Then he puts on his PJs and gets in his box. And his box is size Q, as most of them are. But, so that will give you the order of the alphabet for when you're writing this out. So you start with E.T. His name's Ian. And he says, sure. Gets his WD-40. Then says, "Okay, go." And he turns on his high voltage frequency, pauses, says LOL, and then pauses again, puts on his PJ, gets in his box, which is size Q. And as we all know, size is spelt C-Y-Z, obviously. So that is your cheat sheet for understanding Morse code. And as you hear the dits or the dots and the DAs or the dashes, you can use this chart to trace and see which letter that would be. So that's what I learned. And by learning this, I'm being a lifelong learner. And I would like to continue to work on it a little bit more. Here's the full alphabet, as well as some little memory devices, but pretty tricky. But I would like to keep looking at that. So I've been learning this on my own with the help of my friend YouTube. And this is helping me be a lifelong learner. In the video description below, I will include a link to where you can find this chart, as well as a link to a fun video that goes through the Morse code alphabet in song form. Very fun, watch that lots of times. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.